Okay, your topic is describe a puzzle you have played. So please.
Uh, I think I think puzzles are a great way to check our mental ability. And last time, I, I I have played a puzzle on my on newspaper when I was sitting in my office, and if I could remember, it was Monday morning, and I just took that newspaper and I started to solve that puzzle. It looked quite easy, but when I started doing it, I felt that it was very challenging to me. And after spending almost 2 hours, finally I could solve that. And after that, I felt a great sense of achievement. And I took a picture of that puzzle on my mobile phone and I sent it to my friends and I challenged them and I offered them to solve that puzzle in the that time that I used to solve that puzzle. And I think, and after that, I have bought a number of puzzles, uh, especially a short book that contains almost
Okay,
500.
that's good. Overall, it's good. Just try to speed up a little. And although you are fluent, but just if you speed up a little more, it will show more fluency, right? Okay, let's move on. Speaking part three. Why do parents let their children play puzzles?
I think puzzles are a good way to check the mental ability, and also it could increase our cognitive abilities and problem solving skills. And parents should be encourage their children to solve
Parents should encourage their
should
children.
encourage their children to solve puzzles. And I think to answer your question, puzzles would be a great source to increase the
Yeah,
mental ability.
therefore, parents recommend puzzles to their children.
Yes.
That's what the question is. Okay.
Yes.
So the conclusion should be according to the question. The question is, why do parents let their children play puzzles?
Yes.
That is why parents always allow their children to play puzzles. Okay. Thank you. Good job.